Well, hello students. Here we are in week 4, and in this class we will be talking about motivational concepts. Now, as we know, leadership and motivation go hand in hand. A lot of organizational behavior, OB, has to do with culture. Culture is the essence of what makes a company successful or not successful. And as we look at motivation, and particularly tie it into leadership, depending on where you are on the leadership train, motivating a workforce in the right way can lead to huge gains in productivity, in innovation, and most importantly, employee retention. They're at the workplace because they want to be there. They feel that they are contributing. They're much more than just a paycheck for the organization. The organization feels that way toward them, and they feel that way toward the organization. So Chapter 7 on motivational concepts is going to review some of the basic ideas surrounding motivation. We're going to look at some of the motivational theories that were purported by a lot of the famous theorists out there. And we're going to provide an integrative model that shows how the best of these theories fit together. So in this particular chapter, the objectives are to describe the key elements of motivation, compare the early theories of motivation, contrast the elements of what we call self-determination theory and goal-setting theory. We want to know the differences between self-efficacy, reinforcement theory, equity theory, and expectancy theory. We want to identify the implications of employee job engagement for managers and look at some of the contemporary theories of motivation and look at how they complement each other in the process of motivating. Motivating is a very catchy thing if it's done the right way. And it can make and break an organization, believe me. A culture is all built on motivated employees who are challenged every day, who believe in what they do, who feel that they're making a difference for the company, and the company acknowledges that. So studying some of the theorists and how we arrived at some of these conclusions are going to be very helpful in learning about motivational theory. Okay, sounds like we're on our way to Chapter 7, which we'll be spending probably 3 days on, okay? You'll have 2 DQs in Chapter 7, and then after that we will move into Chapter 9 in the last 4 days of this particular week. Be back to you when we get to Chapter 9.